Hey guys, this is the RitFit single resistant exercise band. So this has super comfy handles on it and is super stretchy. You can see I have it in the pink, which is going to be the 15-pound resistant one. So here's a little closer look at the handles. They're kind of like cushioned and soft, which is optimal for long workouts. Your hands aren't going to get too chapped or chafed because it's nice and soft. So that was appealing about these, and I'm going to show just a few different workouts that you could potentially do with it if you have this at home, which is super convenient. Just like a nice amount of resistant. You can work specific areas, so you can really target anywhere on your body using this. Plus, it comes with a little booklet that will give you some different ideas for different kind of workout poses that you can do. So really appreciate that they sent that with it. But yeah, you could use this for physical therapy, just general exercise if you're looking to lose weight. There is ways that this can be used in Pilates or yoga, or just really for like toning any muscle, but just general health and building on muscles. So this would be for a arm workout. I feel like don't make fun of my poses here because I am not a pro by any mean here, but I do like toning my muscles. Anti-slip basically to the whole device itself, and very portable, so you could work out anywhere with this. Love it. Check it out.